back here with another video, and as you guys can see by the title, this is the chit chat get ready with me that is sponsored by Megalookhair. I just want to thank Megalookhair for sponsoring this video today and for me to use this beautiful wig to show you guys. Like, this box is very, I've only got one other box, and this box is just, you know, cute. Like, come on now. I've already opened this because I've already plucked the wig. I forgot to show you guys like the initial like unboxing part, but here is the box. Came with some lashes. I don't know if I'm gonna use these because they're really not my style, but I'm gonna try them on and see if like they're my style. And if you hear my brother in the background, I'm sorry, he's a little kid. I cannot control his screaming or anything. And then it came with this little makeup bag, and inside it has an edge brush, so that's good because I need a new one anyways. 2 wig caps, the one they all be sending and stuff. Oh, they're brown too. I wish they were like white or whatever, but okay. And then it came with this hair clip. And it came with this hair clip. This is probably like for design and stuff. I'm probably not gonna use this because I don't like the color, but I like the thought. And it came with this little headband. And I was wanting to get one of these too, so thank you Megalookhair again. Yeah. Oh, you know how easy this is gonna be to tie my stuff down? But what you guys came for the video for is the unit. So let me show you guys the unit. So this is the unit. I've already customized her. So like, you know, I didn't have to, you know, but I already customized her. This is like, I just put water in it and stuff and combed it out and stuff. But if you guys would like to purchase this unit, everything about this hair is down in the description box below. This hair is actually soft too. And when I was like styling it and stuff, I didn't get no plucking. I mean, I barely got any shedding. Like, it's curly, so it's gonna shed. I just want to once again thank Megalookhair for sending me this wig for me to try out for you guys. All the details about this wig is on the description box below. Make sure you guys go purchase your guys' unit. Now let's just get into this video. So I'm gonna put my bald cap on off camera so it's easier for me to do. So I'm gonna be back when I got that done. And I won't be using these ones because I don't want to mess up how that one looks, because I mean how the wig install's gonna look, because I never used a brown bald cap before, and this is not even my color. As we can see, it's not my color, so I'm not gonna use that today. But okay, I got my bald cap on. This is not like a regular colored bald cap, like it's like tan. So I'm gonna use this foundation. This is my first time using it because they didn't have the one I usually get, which is the True Match, which is this one. They didn't have it, so I just got that for substitute. I really don't know what to talk about. I'm just gonna talk about school. Let's talk about school. Yeah, I have online school, so my mirror's right here. Okay, so I have online school, so it's honestly low-key hard. It's not hard, it's just like all the work that they give us and like, you know, the amount of time that we have to do it. It's like, baby. And my schedule for my school just recently got changed. Glad that it recently just got changed, because it used to be like 7 to 2 on the computer, like a regular schedule. But they fixed that this Monday because they noticed like how students weren't. It's like, it's just so bad. Like, why are you guys, you know? But anyways, I don't know how to talk and get ready. I should probably ask my Instagram for questions or something, because honestly this newer schedule has helped me though, because I can now film more videos. I have more time to be creative. I have more time to think, because literally Monday through Friday it was school until I went to sleep. Like, I'm being serious. Like, I didn't think about nothing else but school. Like, I couldn't even think about YouTube or anything like that. Like, after this video, after I do my hair and stuff, and after I put my makeup on, I'm going to do a video. So I'm glad it's gonna be like my first video back. The only thing I've really been able to do is hair videos, because they're fast and it's just like, it's just a hair video. Like, I don't have to think about anything. I don't have to, you know, put like, I just need to do the hair video. But these other videos, these creative videos, I have to think about it. I have to think, you know, I have to put work in behind it. Like these hair videos, I could just do it and then it's done. I'm glad I have more time to think and film videos before you guys, because I really want to. And guys, I get my, hopefully I pass my test, but I get my permit next week, so that's a hallelujah. Like, I've been waiting for this forever. Like, I'm ready to get my permit. Like, I'm really ready. Like, September 22nd, 12 o'clock, I'm taking that test, bro. I'm taking that test because I cannot do this. And, like, I just need my permit. Like, I don't got no cotton swabs, so this is gonna sound a little bit ghetto, but we're gonna use a penny liner to get the little excess off because I don't got no cotton swabs. But it still worked though. Like, it's still getting it off like how it should be. I can't wait to post these videos for you guys because I know you guys are ready too. And I know you guys are. Now for the unit, I'm just gonna, oh, the unit comes with an elastic band. This band, like, I never tried it in my life and I'm really actually enjoying it. Like, every time I put it on, like, this thing fits so snug. But like, it really do fit snug though. Not gonna even lie. I don't gotta lie. Don't need to lie. Like, for what? I haven't had a curly wig since like last year, like a real curly wig for like a year. Like, I really just been like body wave, straight, all of that, but curly. Like, come on, girl. And I think I look good in curling. The first curly wig I ever got, my first curly wig, it was kind of like this. It was for my 8th grade promotion. It's not a great install, but that was like one of my first installs. It wasn't bad or anything. It's just like, it could have been better. But I'm glad now that I've grown up and I've practiced and, you know, perfected my craft with wigs and stuff. Oh my God, let me talk about quarantine, because quarantine, I'm really thankful for it, because going into quarantine, I look like a little bum. I look like a little bum, bro. And then coming out of quarantine, let me just say, I look better than I was hurt. I was beat. Like, I was just, ooh, I was hurting. What the, like, December until now, baby girl. Baby girl. I might have to cut the elastic band off because this side don't want to come forward. This is small. I don't know if my head is just too big or something, but this lace is like, it don't want to come forward. Okay, this wig is gonna be hard to put on. I'm already knowing it, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna put a layer of Got To Be on glue on. When we go back to school, like, I am done with wigs. Like, I'm not done with wigs, but I need to take a break. Like, my edges have been going back because they've been slipping back. But they've been going back, and I'm just happy because my edges, I have some nice edges. Like, I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I'm not gonna even act like I didn't. Like, I had some nice edges. Okay, so now I have the wig on. Finally, kind of took me longer than I expected, but like I said in the previous clip, the wig is like small. So I'm just gonna cut the lace. While I'm waiting, I'm just gonna put some concealer on to get rid of these bags a little bit. I had to put this scarf on because that little thing is only good for your edges, I think, because you ain't doing nothing. My bags are so bad. Like, they're not bad. I think they're getting better. But I get sleep, so I don't know why they're not going away. I don't know why. It takes faster for them to get here than for them to go away. Like, they need to go. I'm tired of seeing it. I put the wrong concealer on. I'm trying to find the right one because we'll go try blending it out and see. I put a lot on this eye. Okay, eye bags disappeared. I'm gonna try putting on these lashes and see if they're cute or not. Low-key scared because, yeah, they come in this nice packaging. They don't feel like mink. Okay, I'm just gonna keep these lashes on because they're cute and they're just short, like, ugh. But it's fine. I'll live with it. I'll deal with it. I'm gonna put some highlight on. I'm gonna put this and then this. This alcohol and wipe my face. And I'm just gonna spray it with water. I'm gonna go with this to get it all like, look at the difference. This is like done, so let's see if we can. I'm gonna have to put some gel in it because it's not gonna stay. I'm going to go in with some Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm gonna start off with this one. I got to be free spray to like hold everything. And then I'm gonna go with my foundation to fix everything. So this is how my hair looks. It looks a little bit light because of the studio lights, but in person, it don't look like that. I'm gonna come back when it's all dry. This side is dry basically, this side, not really, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look when it's dry. Okay, y'all, so my hair is dry. That's how it looks like. I really like this hair. Like, I'm so glad to have curly again because I haven't had curly in a long time. I just want to thank Megalookhair for sponsoring this video and sending me this unit because I haven't had curly hair in a long time. If you guys want to get this unit or check them out, everything about them is down in the description box below. Yeah, I really recommend this hair. This hair is nice. Nice curls too, baby. Oh my god. I like their box. I don't know if they just send this to like the people like that they sponsor videos and stuff, but their box is like, you know, their packaging is just, you know, like good. And okay, I'm sorry guys, I look so good right now. Like you know, I'm lost for words of how good I look. Like, I'm not even trying to sound cocky, but baby, like, you can't even say I look bad. Like, I look so good right now. Like, let me stop before somebody think I'm conceited or something, even though you need to be conceited sometimes, because if you a baddie, you a baddie. Period. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see way more of me, because I'll be posting more and frequently. Okay, thank you ma'am. Without further ado, let's just get out of this video. Shadon, shabba, shagong.